In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a homecoming flyer using Canva. This is an exciting opportunity to create a personalized and eye-catching flyer that will captivate your audience. Whether you're planning an event for your school, college, or local community, this guide will help you make a unique flyer that stands out. Now, let's dive into Canva and start designing. First, you'll want to open Canva in your web browser. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up for free. Once you're on the homepage, head over to the search bar and type Homecoming Flyer. This will pull up a variety of pre-designed templates that you can use as a starting point for your project. Now, as you browse through the options, take note of the different styles, colors, and layouts available. The beauty of using Canva is that it provides a wide array of templates that cater to different tastes and needs. Find a design that resonates with your vision for the event and select it by clicking on it. Once you've made your selection, you're going to click on the Customize This Template button. This is where the fun begins, as this action takes you to the editor where you can start personalizing the flyer. In Canva's editor, you'll see all the elements of your chosen template laid out, ready to be tweaked to your liking. Now, you can begin editing the text on the flyer. Replace the default text with the details of your event. You'll want to include essential information like the event title, date, time, venue, and any other specific details your audience needs to know. Canva makes it easy to edit text by simply clicking on it and typing in your own words. You can also customize the font style, size, and color to better match the theme of your event. Additionally, consider adding images or graphics to enhance the visual appeal. Canva's library offers a plethora of image options. You can either upload your own images or select from the free stock photos available. If your event has a theme like a specific color scheme or mascot, incorporating those elements can add a personal touch to your flyer. To add an image, click on the Uploads button on the side panel or use the search feature to find something that suits your theme. After you've completed your customization, double check all the information and design elements to ensure everything looks perfect. Once you're satisfied with your creation, it's time to download or print your flyer. Click on the download button at the top right corner, choose your preferred file format, and save it to your device. There you have it, your one-of-a-kind, stunning homecoming flyer ready to share with your community. I hope this guide has made designing your flyer in Canva an enjoyable and straightforward process. Happy designing, and have an amazing homecoming event.